Guys, we want to continue in our exercise. We have solved number 5 before. This is number 6. How do you solve this kind of question now? Very simple. All you need to do here, don't forget, this is the same thing as what? It's the same thing as, we're going to say 1, 2, 5. 1 minus 3, invisible plus is here. So I'm going to be having minus 2 here. I'm going to be having minus 2. This is exactly what we have there. Don't forget about algebra. Check my page, you'll see there. Plus 1 minus 3. Even if you don't write the plus there, you should know it carries invisible plus. So what you now have here is equal to, this is our fourth law of indices. We are going to apply it to 1 over this number, removing the minus sign, the square of this number. So what we are seeing, the number is going to be quite large. If we square it, we are going to multiply. What this one means is 125 times 125. So I will leave that for you to solve for me. Then this other aspect is this 1 over this. I just interpreted the fourth law of indices here. This is exactly what it is, without any doubt. Now this one, this is cube root of this. What we want to do here is to interpret it. This is 2 raised to power 6. It's the same thing as what? 1 over what? 3. Please know how to interpret these laws. This one is just our sixth law of indices. This one is the same thing with this. I've not done anything. Now doing this, now what I'm going to do here, this one will come under the multiply through. It will not be the numerator, it will not be the denominator. So now I have it. 6 over what? 3. This is how the fraction will be. Just like you are saying, you are saying 6 times what? 1 over 3. So it is 6 over what? 3. You should understand that. That's exactly what is happening there. That's exactly what is happening there. So we're going to here. So we now have 2 raised to power what? 2, which is equal to 4. So there's no big deal about that question. Forget about the way it is. This one is 2 minus this 2, please, is invisible plus. Invisible plus is here. Plus 2 minus 3 means what? Minus 1, because I am owing 3, I am having 2. When I pay, I will still be owing 1. Whatever you are owing carries minus sign. So it becomes what? 8 raised to power minus 1. Our fourth law of indices, 1 over this number, removing the minus sign. This is 1 over 8 raised to power 1, but we don't write it here because 8 raised to power 1 is something as what? 8. This one is still the fourth law of indices. 1 over 2 raised to power what? 2. I have just removed the minus sign. 1 over this number, I have removed the minus sign. It's still the number. So I'm now having 1 over 4 because 2 raised to power 2 is 4. This one is still fourth law of indices. 1 over 3 raised to power 3, which is what? 1 over 27. That is exactly what you have, because 3 raised to power 3, that is 3 times 3 times 3 will give us what? 27. Then this one, what you do is to multiply through. Please don't forget, this is our fifth law of indices we are applying here. We are going to apply both fifth law of indices and we're still going to apply sixth law of indices. Check my page, you will see all those laws there. Now check, we're going to multiply through. It will affect 25 separate. It will also affect A separately. So now I have 25 raised to power 1 over 2, A raised to power 2 over what? 2, because it will multiply through individually. Because this one was already having 2 before. So what we now have is what? 25. I will interpret 25 in terms of our sixth law. What it means. 25 raised to power 1 over 2 means square root of 25, our sixth law. Check my page here. Can you see that? The meaning of this you are seeing, 25 raised to power 1 over 2 is something like this. Know how to interpret that law. Then don't forget, this one will cancel this. So it's outside. The square root is not affected yet. So what we now have is the square root of 25. What is square root? The number that can multiply itself 2 times, I'll give you that number inside that sign. It's what we call 5. So we now have 5. Make your comment, don't leave like that. We are still continuing. Here we are in number 11. We are going to number 12. Make sure you follow. We are going to post the videos.